Hello everyone, I'm Surendra Jain, Master Teacher in Vedantu. We are discussing paper of KVPY 2019 SX stream. This is question number 13 of part 1 from the topic permutation and combination. This question says, let E denote the set of letters of English alphabet. V is a set of letters A, E, I, O, U, that is vowels, and C is complement of V in E, that is set of consonants. Then the number of 4-letter words where repetition of letters are allowed, having at least one letter from V and at least one letter from C is, and we are given options in A, B, C, D. Now, to solve this question, I think it is very simple that number of words can be written directly as 26 raised to the power 4 if repetition is allowed and if there is no condition like at least one vowel is to be there or at least one consonant is to be there. But because we want at least one letter from vowel and one letter from consonant, so I will subtract those cases in which 4-letter word is made only from vowel, that will be 5 power 4, or 4-letter word that is formed only using consonants which are 21 in number. So that should be the answer. Now, these are going to be huge numbers. So if you are allowed to use virtual calculator, I think you may have in your system, then you can find it easily. And this comes out to be A261870. Otherwise, that also we can try to do this calculation. I can use a square minus b square identity 2 times, and this will become 26 minus 5 into 26 plus 5 into 26 square plus 5 square minus 21 power 4 is equal to, this becomes 21 here into 31, and I think 26 square plus 5 square, it becomes 26 square is 651, 600, not 51, I think it is 676, yeah, plus 25 minus 21 power 4. So if I take 21 common, okay, this will be 31 into 701 minus 21 cube. Okay, now 21 cube can be found. I think 21 cube means 21 into 441. So we can write this as 31 into 701 will be 31 here, 721 minus, it will be 21 into 1, 21, 21 into 4, 84 plus 2, 86, 84 plus 8, it is 94. Now, we can try to find the number at tens place because it is different from all 4 options, and we can check it should be 13 minus 6, 7, 7 into 1, so last 2 places should be 70. And you can verify that you are getting this to be 261870 only. So answer for this question will be A. I think that should be given, yeah. So this completes the solution of this question. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more such solutions. Bye.